Alright everybody, it's Josh with Imperium Racing here, showing you how to change the cabin air filter on a Scion TC, the first generation. It's the same for both generations. We're going to start by opening the glove box here. Once you open the glove box, you're going to want to press in on the sides here. There's two things hitting that, making it from opening all the way, so you just got to press in, pull out on there. And then there's a little hydraulic thing here clipped in on there. You're just going to want to take that off, set it to the side, and then your glove box will drop down. You don't want all your stuff to fall out, so hold it there. And then from here there are two little things down here that you're going to have to pull out. So you're going to have to just pull on your glove box there. That clips into there, so yeah. So this in here is where your cabin air filter is. There's two things on the side. Just gonna have to pull on those little tabs, and then here is a nice and dirty cabin air filter. Alright everyone, so with your new filter here, you're gonna have the bottom, there's a little lip here, so you're gonna want the lip on the bottom, and then you're gonna want to just insert that under these tabs. There are little tabs in the filter box. You're gonna want to insert the little lip under the tabs that holds the filter in place. Shove it on in there. Make sure it's under all the lips. Alright, and so there's a directional on the air filter holder here. You want to put that in up. There we go. Make sure it's in there all the way, nice and tight. And then from here, you're going to take your glove box full of all your stuff. And then you're going to make sure that these line up with that. Clip it on in there. Then you're going to take your little hydraulic thingy here, pull it back, clip it back on there. Then you're just going to give your glove box a nice little shut. And that's it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Peace.